Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best blush brushes that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Real Techniques Tapered Cheek Makeup Brush. The Real Techniques Tapered Cheek Makeup Brush is designed with small tapered bristles that are perfect for targeted depth and to add color. It has a precision brush head that allows for buildable coverage and is perfect for creating a soft, natural glow finish. The brush is best used with liquid, cream, or powder blush, contour, and highlighter. The aluminum handle is easy to use, lightweight, and color-coded. Additionally, it is easy to clean with Real Techniques Brush Cleansing Gel or spray. The brush is 100% cruelty-free and vegan and provides flawless and long-lasting makeup application. Moving on, at number 4, we have the EcoTools Sea Gems Cream Blush Brush. The EcoTools Cream Blush Brush helps you apply cream and liquid blush smoothly and evenly, making it easy to build up color without streaks. Its specially shaped bristles allow you to pack on pigment and blend it naturally for a soft, airbrushed finish. The dense, rounded brush head gives you precise control, so you can place color exactly where you want and blend for a flawless look. Plus, it's designed with sustainability in mind, using recycled, ocean-bound plastic and durable aluminum, reducing waste while lasting through many uses. At number 3, we have the Real Techniques Mini Multitask Makeup Brush. The Real Techniques Mini Multitask Makeup Brush is perfect for applying powder blush, bronzer, or setting powder. Its full-sized head and compact handle make it ideal for traveling. The brush head has plush, tapered bristles for soft focus application, and the aluminum ferrules are lightweight, easy to use, and color-coded. The brush is 100% cruelty-free and vegan, and it's easy to clean with Real Techniques Brush Cleansing Gel or spray. With ultra-plush synthetic bristles, this makeup brush provides flawless results and long-lasting makeup application. At number 2, we have the Real Techniques Cherry on Top It's All Blush Brush. The Real Techniques Blush Brush is a versatile dual-ended tool that makes applying blush easy and precise. It comes with 2 brush heads designed to work with powder, cream, and liquid blushes, so you can build and blend your colors smoothly for a natural finish. You can also use it to highlight your cheekbones or soften contour lines, giving your face a balanced, streak-free look. Made with soft synthetic bristles, this brush is gentle on sensitive skin and picks up just the right amount of product for flawless blending every time. And finally, at number 1, we have the e.l.f. Blush Brush. The e.l.f. Blush Brush is a synthetic-haired Taklon brush that is perfect for precision application. Whether you're using wet or dry products, this brush will help you achieve a flawless look. The synthetic bristles are soft and gentle on your skin, ensuring a comfortable application every time. The e.l.f. Blush Brush is designed to pick up just the right amount of product, allowing for precise and controlled application. It's the perfect tool for adding a pop of color to your cheeks or contouring your face. With its high-quality construction and versatile use, the e.l.f. Blush Brush is a must-have for any makeup lover. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time!